All right, so I'll put the little thing on my head and then just achoo. All right, so I'll put the shape on my head, and then just kind of lovely day we're having here. Achoo! All right, so I'll put the shape back on. Should we put it on your head this time? Oh, okay. Should we put it on my head? All right, there we go. Oh, this is a great day we're having, isn't it, Johan? Achoo! Yeah? Should we do it one more time? Okay. Let's put it on my head, and boy, the weather today is great. We're just having a really warm day. Achoo!